Ondo is more of a both Quant and Ondo and Wormhole or W token are more like governance tokens. They're used to pay fees on the network in order to participate. They don't necessarily move value on the network itself. And so that's kind of my determining factor on whether a token is actually going to receive the amount of liquidity that would push it to a significantly higher price. You look at total addressable market or the market cap of whatever problem they're trying to solve, and then how much liquidity based on the tokenomics would be required in order to facilitate that value transfer. I think that the value transfer tokens are going to have outsized returns in comparison to governance tokens, or tokens that their demands only driven by the necessity to pay fees to participate on a network, not actually driving utility of the network itself. So, and who knows what the outcomes are going to be. It could end up being that, and people aren't going to like me saying this, but I'm going to say it anyway, that there's so much consolidation. I'm still an advocate that I think there'll be 3 to 5 base layer networks, but there is going to be one network that gets the lion's share of everything, and I think that's going to be the XRPL because of the regulatory infrastructure that they've created with the amendments on the network and its institutional adoption. All the money. I don't think that's a joke. Now, there's a lot of other things for tokenized real world assets. There's insurance. There's so many other things that need specific smart contract capabilities and industry expertise in order to be able to do it the right way, that I think will have niche places in the Proppy is another one that I think will be around. Natalia does great with that. Tokenization of titles and deeds for properties. That's another huge total addressable market if they ever were able to actually get governments to make sure that people were moving that stuff on chain. I don't think that that's going to be by 2030 though. I think that it's going to be climbing. I think it's going to be doing good, but I don't know that it's going to be in the top 7. This person's